CK52, the Saturday morning meeting. Prius 2016, safety, working through Star Safety System all the way up to TSS and TSSP. Last week we talked about ABS, and we also talked about traction control. This week we're going to talk about electronic brake force distribution and brake assist. Let's get started. So I'm standing here with the Prius Package 2, and we'll talk about electronic brake force distribution. Break the name down. Electronically distributes the brake force. So the computer talks to all the parts, the components of the car. If I hammer the brake, well, we know what's going to happen to the car. The nose of the car is going to go down. So the weight transfer is going to go to the front of the car. That's going to add more load to the front tires. The more load to the front tires, the more the grip the tires have. So electronic brake force distribution is going to move the prowess or the braking prowess to the front wheels utilizing the ABS. Better stopping condition. Now, it's a family car. I'm going to put people in the back. I'm going to put luggage in the trunk. I'm going to load the car up. The wheel RPM sensor can tell a difference in the size of the wheel in the back. Smaller wheel, more pressure on the wheel, faster RPM. It does the math and it says, oh, I've got X amount of weight in the back. So it actually distributes the braking prowess based upon where the weight of the car is. I don't know, that's mind-numbing that it could be so safety conscious. This is what the customers really don't understand. They've heard EBD, they just don't know how it works. Last thing about electronic brake force distribution, I love this. When I'm in a hard turn, like a sweeping turn right toward the camera here, the inertia of the car goes to the outside of the turn. If you turn hard, then the car tries to roll away from the turn. There's a lateral gravitational sensor here that measures lateral forces of the car, and as I'm turning, it can take the EBD and move the braking prowess to the outside wheels of the turn, which are the wheels that have the load. Again, utilizing all the components we talked about in week 1, making sure this car is extremely safe. One more component for this series this week, brake assist. Brake assist takes ABS and moves it to 100%. So what you need to understand is that Toyota realizes that sometimes you don't strike the brake pedal deep enough to be at 100% utilization of the ABS. You went quick enough, but you didn't go deep enough. There's so many reasons why this could happen. You're driving somebody else's car and the seat's too far away from the pedals. They're taller than you are. So when you strike the brake pedal, you definitely went in a panic or a rapid strike. You just didn't have the ability to push it to the floor. EBD, along with brake assist, are two features that utilize this. EBD is going to transfer the braking prowess to the front. Brake assist is going to make sure that rapid strike gets you 100% braking efficiency. Our next deal is we got older clients. We got people that drive Toyotas way into their 70s and 80s because the cars are safe and they're reliable. This is a choice for people that drive cars later in life. So they're driving the car and they've lost a little bit of leg strength. You see people all the time, they have a little leg surgery or they're using a walker or a cane. They've lost that leg strength, so why wouldn't we make a car that would recognize a rapid strike of the brake pedal so that they can be just as safe? So as they go quick enough to the brake pedal, it's 100% braking efficiency. So the car makes the driver a safer driver. Priceless.